What if I told you? Most fifth-wheel scooter riders are making one simple mistake that could lead to a serious accident in just seconds. And the worst part? They don't even realize it until it's too late. Today, I'm going to show you the safety tips and tricks that could completely change the way you ride. If you ride a fifth-wheel scooter in the USA, you already know it feels fast, fun, and convenient. But here's the truth. It only takes one small mistake to lose control. And most riders only learn that after a close call. Imagine this. You're turning a corner. Traffic is close. Everything feels normal. Then suddenly, your scooter starts to wobble. Just for a moment. Your control is gone. That's how quickly accidents happen. Let's fix that. Balance is the #1 rule. Most riders lean too much when turning, thinking it gives control. But it actually does the opposite. Instead, keep your body centered. Let the scooter move naturally under you. Small change, huge difference. Now let's talk about braking. This is where most riders make a critical mistake. Never brake with panic. And never rely on one hand. That sudden pressure can throw your balance off instantly. Instead, use both hands. Apply smooth, controlled pressure. Stay stable. Stay safe. And here's one mistake people don't even notice. They look down while riding. And the moment you do that, your body follows your eyes. Which means your balance starts to break down. Always look forward. Scan the road. Stay aware. React early. That's what safe riders do differently. Another big one is speed. Fast doesn't mean safe. In tight or crowded areas, control always wins over speed. The best riders aren't the fastest. They're the most aware. At the end of the day, riding a fifth-wheel scooter isn't just about movement. It's about control, awareness, and smart decisions. If you fix even one of these habits, your safety improves instantly. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Comment your experience or any close calls you've had. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world safety tips. Because your safety starts with what you know.